Okay, so I have a package here from Cody. His YouTube company name is WhistlinDiesel. This is the Monster Max hoodie with the design on the back. So I'm going to do an unboxing of it, check it out, give my first impressions. Nice packaging, just as described in this video. Very well wrapped. WhistlinDiesel emblem. A very nice filling box as far as packaging goes. Got a little pull tab. Yeah, it reminds you of, just as he says, like a getting a new phone or a game console, I guess. Slides open to two parts. I ordered a large. I'm about 5'7", 160 pounds, so I figured the past couple hoodies I've had, the large should work for me. So I can't say that enough. Comes with a sticker. Got the WhistlinDiesel emblem on the top of the box. Just like they said, feels like a new phone, computer case or something. And it comes also in a bag again. I can't say enough about the quality packaging. It's awesome. WhistlinDiesel logo on the back of the bag, the front. I did get a large, 5'7", about 160 pounds. Past couple hoodies I've had, the large seemed to work for me, so figured I'd go with it. I think it also comes with a sticker. Yep. Something you can put on your car or wherever. Nice thick tag. See how it looks now. Here's the front. WhistlinDiesel. Right hand, you got Good Content Gang. Left hand, Monster Max 2.0. Back of the hoodie. Mirror of this truck. Monster Max 2.0. American flag. Yep. So, time to replace this hoodie, kind of. I've had this one longer than I should have. It was given to me by a friend. I had it since 2006, 2007. But yeah, it's still got a little bit of wear. It's the only other brand I've ever found that holds up pretty well as far as washing it and drying it. Fits good. I like the feel of the material. It's got room to wear undershirts. Zippers. Zippers seem like good quality. Hood's got room to get your hat under. Aside from your hat fitting, let's see if your hard hat fits. Yeah, got room for your hard hat. Perfect. Coffee break. Yep. I can dig it. Well, I'm pleased with this. So yeah, there's the scan thing. Alright, so I got this Verify app. Okay. That's cool. Yeah. Your product is verified as authentic. New product. No exclusive content. Gives you a password. And it gives you some videos. Anyway. Either way. Nice hoodie. Hopefully they make more of them. I'm happy with it. I'll wear it, I'll work in it, and I plan to do a follow-up video to see how it holds up to everyday wear and tear as a blue collar worker. So, anyway, thanks for watching.